is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV 24/7. In association with Amity University.
We started the second season of Nissan NDTV Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer Schools in Guwahati, where over 250 kids turned up. It is the home of the ISL Football Club Northeast United, where kids turned up to have a taste of playing football the Manu way.
The second season of Nissan NDTV Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer School kicked off with a bang in Guwahati. Over 300 aspirants filled the stadium to show their skills. The tryouts were hard, but all the aspirants were up to it.
I think it will be the platform where we can perform, and for trial for Manchester United is the biggest platform. If we are selected from there, then it will be the sign for the Northeast that yes, Northeast also has some power in that football field also.
This type of event I think this is the first time, and we look very much forward for this. If events like that could happen in a frequent gap, it will increase the football boosting Northeast definitely.
More than 300 young soccer talents from Assam and across Northeast India region, seen as the hub of footballing talents in this country, have gathered here in Guwahati. The winners would make it to Manchester United, a dream destination for any young footballer. Like this, similar trials will be held in 5 other cities, and it seems with huge number of participation in the Guwahati leg, this is a good beginning.
We have a very good response, over here. Kids come, early morning, and we give a, preference that 1 to 50. Those will come fast. But we have to see that, how much their enthusiasm have inside, how much they take an, initiative and interest. So we have certain, tests like, skill test, and then we'll go for, SSG, like, call it small-sided game, and through skill, we'll come to that, how much technically they sound.
After some great skills tests and one competitive match, we had the first 5 winners of the second season.
I'm really excited because I've been selected.
अच्छे से खेलेगा और बेस्ट देने का ट्राई करेगा.
Football is my religion.
From Guwahati, we traveled to Kolkata, the spiritual home of football in the country, the home to 3 of the biggest clubs, Mohun Bagan, East Bengal and Mohammedan Sporting. But here, the kids wanted to learn how they train at Manchester United, which is why about 200 of them turned up at the Bidhannagar grounds.
It's a bright sunny winter morning, and the Nissan NDTV Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer School could not have gotten off to a better start with long lines for registration. Enthusiastic soccer players are lining up to take part in the trials.
More than 200 kids came for trials in Kolkata, and the enthusiasm was there for all to see.
They did actually better than what we expected. They took instructions well. The sessions were nice and easy. So in those sessions, we had a lot of games which needed your thinking abilities. So they did exceedingly well in that. We didn't expect them to be thinking at that level, so that's really good, apart from the technical abilities.
Kolkata is a city that's passionate about its soccer. And the city trials for the Nissan NDTV Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer School are underway as these young kids try and show their talents to the coaches if they're selected.
We especially looking to the boys, like they have game sense first, they have good touches, first touch, they have technically, because Kolkata boys, basically they are very good trained.
Coaches, they put more pressure on us. They told us like all these new things, like new stretches, new way of playing and everything. So overall good experience also.
The aspirants were put through the paces by our coaches, and at the end of 3 grueling hours, 5 of them were selected to represent Kolkata in the finale.
When you think of football, what is that one word that comes to your mind? To me, it's passion. And I have no doubt that it was passion that brought as many as 26 girls to the training venue of the Manchester United Soccer Schools in Chennai, where there were 200 other boys as well. 3 of those girls have been picked to be at the finale week in Bangalore.
After Guwahati and Kolkata, the city of Chennai played host to the next leg of the Nissan Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer Schools, and the rising temperature and humidity could not dampen the enthusiasm of the kids and their parents.
I'm just hoping for my son to have a good time, to a good experience, actually more than a time, good experience of playing football, and also to kind of see what kind of football talent is out there in the city.
More than 200 kids turned up for the trials, and we had the highest turnout of girls from a single city.
Even if we play among the girls level, we don't have much competition. It's not that challenging or rough and tough. So it was pretty good to train with the boys.
The girls were more than matching up with the boys, and our coaches were in for a long day.
See so many girls like taking an interest in football and other sports. Like usually a girl is somebody who has a salva, runs around and makes food, but no, we can do much more than that. We're like equal to boys.
3 girls and 2 boys were selected after they went through the rigorous trials. They will soon be on their way to Bengaluru, where 4 kids will have once-in-a-lifetime chance to go to Old Trafford.
In this selection, we got 3 girls, and they're amazing. So one of defender, one of goalkeeper, and one striker. The striker Aditi and goalkeeper the Darshini, they're already played for India country. Aditi played for under 16. She went to the team Dhaka, and Darshini the goalkeeper. So that is a good sign, and that's a good response also coming from Chennai.
From the city of the Super Kings, we reached the garden city of Bangalore, where around 200 kids turned up for the audition, and our coaches were truly impressed by the skill and build of these kids.
The city of Bangalore played host to the next leg of the NDTV Nissan Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer Schools. And if the numbers were anything to go by, the Garden City sure did show a lot of love for the beautiful game. With over 150 children at the trials, the coaches too were brimming with enthusiasm.
So Bangalore, I think they are way better built than the other players from across the country. They're more disciplined and they know the game. They have a footballing culture. Bangalore FC has been winning the I-League, so it's really good.
Chennai, Bangalore, if you see the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, those players, there's a lot of players over here like Carlton Chapman, Ravin, Andrew Lewis, Nixon Lewis, and then Venkatesh, the Anju, Manju, lot of ex-national players from Karnataka we got. So basically, as I said, that they are very technically skillful players. They are very intelligent. They have huge sense of football. Which you call that.
Proud parents watched as the kids were put through the paces.
I'm just hoping he has a good time. My son, his name is Agastya. He's 13 and he's been very passionate about soccer. So I hope he has a good time and gets to really pit his skills against some of the best in Bangalore.
I think it's great, especially I'm so glad that there are a lot of these private leagues and corporates and, sponsors coming up and encouraging sports at the grassroots. So not just football, but almost every other sport we see a lot of this happening, and I really hope that the trend continues.
It's going to be really tough. I've already seen about 20-25 good players now. Getting 5 from there will be a little difficult, but we got to do what we got to do.
Yeah, it's a great honor because everyone wants to play football and people are coming from different places to get selected. Everyone wants to play competitive football. Not everyone wants to play at school level or their hometown somewhere. They want to grow up and become professionals.
And at the end of the day, we had 5 deserving winners in an event where the girls were just as good as the boys.
I'm really glad that these type of programs exist so girls can come out of their comfort zones and start playing football, because we're almost as, well, not even almost, we're as good as boys, and I think it's really important that we start showing that to people.
From Bangalore, the trials moved to the maximum city of Mumbai, where kids turned up from as far as Pune and Nagpur. And talking about the Mumbai kids, some of them quickly finished their school exams and turned up at the training venue to pursue their dream of going to Old Trafford.
Hello and welcome, I'm Vikram Thapa. We are in Mumbai because we have Nissan and NDTV present Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer School. Now we all know that Mumbai doesn't have too many open spaces for kids when it comes to playing, but is this the place where we are going to find the 5 players who will go to Manchester United? Let's take a look. Isn't this just brilliant? On the 4th floor of a building, there is an 8 versus 8 football field for the kids here in Bombay.
We take this as a good platform to learn. Getting selected, of course, is the main objective. If not, then we take this as a learning experience.
No, I'm just proud that I met 2 ex-India players, ex-India professional, international players. They encourage a lot to me while doing the drills, so I'm happy.
The drills that we worked on today was a lot of technical drills which involved passing, shooting, receiving, turning, dribbling, a lot of decision making. Now we've got 28 players, that's 14 players from the under 15 category and 14 from the under 17. So from the under 14 they're going to be playing 7 versus 7 full pitch, and under 17 will be playing 7 versus 7 full pitch. Now from there we will be selecting the best 5.
After a grueling 7 hours on a Saturday morning, which has obviously stretched till the afternoon, we have our 5 winners from Mumbai. With me are these 5 glittering boys. They've performed really well. Congratulations. क्या चल रहा है मन में?
First time इधर आया और first time select, बहुत happy हो.
Okay. With me is of course the goalkeeper Leon Adhikari. Congratulations, did very well.
Thank you very much.
And how was it? I mean, you also injured yourself in the process.
It was very tough. Like nobody could expect what could happen. Like the men's trial was always based on what they gave their best 100%. Now let's see. Now I've got opportunity. Now I would like to say that I won't lose it. I have to make it to Manchester.
We are here for the second season of Nissan NDTV Cup Noodles Manchester United Soccer School. As you can see, hundreds of kids have turned up from Delhi and outside for the trials in Delhi. 5 of these kids will be selected and they will fly all the way to Bangalore for the finale week.
This is the second time for us to be associated with Manchester United and NDTV for doing the soccer school in India. And I heard that in 2017, India is going to host under 17 World Cup match football game. I think it's great opportunity to strengthen further linkage between football and Indian youth. I spotted many great talents. I think they're all awesome. I think we are gonna see very soon a young shining superstar football player in India. I think it's gonna be very soon.
Basically in every city what we were doing is we were having a lot of technical drills where there was a lot of passing, receiving, shooting, all the major basics that we look for. But over here we've gone for a lot of team drills like a 1 versus 1, a 2 versus 2, working with the goalkeepers, playing out from the back, shooting drill. These weren't there in the other cities. Now we had to incorporate them into this program because they are really fantastic, these drills.
So right now we have a few parents with us who have brought their kids early this morning to the Manchester United Soccer School. Let's ask them what really has been the motivation to get your boy here.
Well, motivation is my son himself because he's really interested in football and he's kind of dedicated his life to it already. So this is one of the things he needs to do.
I think it's an aptitude of a child that matters and encouragement from parents, and we must thank NDTV for doing several times so many run for school and run for marks and so many campaigns.
Actually, when these players are coming over here and they are asking for a chance to be selected, you can see that there is a certain amount of real commitment and passion. Some of them are really very talented, and the Manchester United coaches who came last year, they